Hi guys, so today is Krystal's birthday. Happy birthday, Krystal. I'm actually getting ready to go over and hang out with her. I just thought I'd start the video here before I go and put in the birthday song and stuff. And also, let me show you guys what I got her. So hers, as you saw, is already wrapped. But I actually have the same thing. I got us both one. Because we're both really big fans of Gabriel Iglesias. And we even went and saw him together in a show. And I got these autographed action figures that I got on his website, and I got us both one. So I think she's going to be really excited about that. So I'm getting ready to go over there and see her, and I will see you guys. All right, so I am here with Krystal, and she just opened her present, and she loved it.
Loved it. Oh my God. Best birthday present ever. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hug.
Yes. And we had some lunch, and we decided to continue with this video. We're not really going to be actually cooking for you guys today. We've just been through Hurricane Ian about 2 weeks ago today, and we're trying to get things a little back to normal, and we're not quite ready to be able to actually do a full cooking video, but Krystal does have a recipe she wanted to talk about.
Absolutely, because I lost a bet, so I have to do a chicken recipe, and I have it in my brain, so, and like you guys can watch this video and, follow the steps that I tell you to. So what you're going to do is you're going to take as many chicken breasts as you need. Whether you're just doing it for one person or multiple. But what you're going to do is you're going to thaw out your chicken breasts. And then you're going to take a lot of eggs and breadcrumbs and, kind of coat that, if you guys know what I mean.
Yeah, coat it in the eggs and then coat it in breadcrumbs.
Yeah. And then here comes the fun stuff. You're going to coat it in ginger and honey and nutmeg. And then you're going to put it in an air fryer if you have an air fryer. And if you don't, you can just use the oven, but I would say 35 minutes. And oh my God, it's gonna turn out great. But as far as the chicken breast, you just cut it into little bite-sized pieces. That's why we're calling this recipe Sweet Chicken Bites. All right, well, that's it for now.
Sounds like a really good recipe for fall.
Tell me about it.
Perfect timing.
Tell me about it. Well, hope everybody is safe that was affected by Hurricane Ian.
Yeah.
All right, well, bye Recipes Mania fans.
We'll see you next time.